Hello my crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sheree and my channel is Turquoise Dreaming. And I've got a few things to show you for Thrifty Thursday this week. This will be a quick one because I only have a few things, but a few really cute things I think. And actually they're left over from last week because I didn't want to make my video too long. And I want to go ahead and possibly use these things and put them away or whatever. So let me show you what I got. Let's see, let's start right here. And yeah, just in case you didn't know, Thrifty Thursday is an open collab hosted by myself. Everyone's welcome to participate. Just link my channel, Turquoise Dreaming, in your video, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. So the first thing is this cute little writing pad. All these things right here I got at my favorite thrift store, which is right here in my town, Salvation Army. We have a great Salvation Army, and I just love going by there. I try to go by there on Saturday mornings and see what's new. So I found this little, this is a children's writing. It says teaching tree. That's usually a Dollar Tree. I'm going to have to look and see if my Dollar Tree has these. This might be, I don't know if this has any kind of date on here. It might be one they don't carry anymore. But I will definitely check out my Dollar Tree. See if they have this one, because I have the one with the regular writing papers, and it's kind of the regular, children's writing paper with the lines, but it is just plain. And this one is like a little, see how cute? 3 birds, three. So it's writing paper, and there's something on both sides, I see. Yeah. So I found this at my thrift store. I thought it was really cute and different from any of this little primary paper, kindergarten type, first grade type writing paper that I've seen before. So I got that at my local thrift store. I don't see the price on it anymore. Probably was 99 cents or something like that. It might have been 49 cents. But another thing, well, let me show you these right here. These were in, they had a bunch of new craft supplies, not new, but, craft supplies. And these were in the craft supplies, these little Christmas ornaments, and they're felt. And I would hang these off of the, if I make a little bead tassel or whatever, to any kind of tassel, I would either use these as the tassel or add these to the tassel on a journal. So 2 Christmas trees and a little star, and they're a little felt star. I mean, these were only 49 cents, so that's one reason I got them. See, they're originally $1. Not sure what store that is. Let's see, does it tell on the back? I saw some ornaments like these at Dollar General last Christmas, but I don't know, holiday style. I don't know if that's Dollar General or not. But anyway, so originally $1.49. So I figured that was a good deal. I mean, you couldn't make it for 50 cents, right? I mean, you could, but then it would take you a lot of time to cut your felt, stuff your felt, sew up your the felt. This has some little like glittery, like it's supposed to look like snow maybe or something, and it has these little pieces on there. So super cute, and they're all like that. This is actually actual stitching around. So I figured, I would love to make some felt ornaments, but I have made felt things before, and it took me way longer than I thought it would. And I was like, it just took so long. It just something I didn't enjoy. So I thought that was a bargain. And then, the next thing is these 2 bits of fabric. So it looks like this was never used for some reason, but 2 yards here and 1 yard here. And I'm not sure either. Oh, it says Walmart. I guess these are originally from Walmart. $15 for this from Walmart. I got it for $1.99 for these 2 yards. $15. Wow. And is it say 15 or 5? Maybe it says 5. How could that be $15 for 2 yards? And that looks like a clearance sticker, doesn't it? That little sticker right there, that Walmart sticker with the red. I think that might be a clearance sticker. So maybe it was $5 on clearance. Anyway, I got it for $1.99. And when you consider you buy a fat quarter at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and the fat quarters now at Walmart are, I don't know, I haven't bought one there in a long time, but they're like $1.50 or so usually. So for 2 yards, which is way, way, way more than a fat quarter, doesn't come anywhere near to a yard anyway. Well, I mean, near, is it? It's not, I don't think it's even half a yard though. It might be half a yard, but I doubt it. If it is, say it is half a yard, it would be, this would be 4 fat quarters, which would be like $5 for this. So that's why it was $5 on clearance, but I got it for $1.99. Anyway, either way, you look at it, I got a bargain. So it's pretty fabric. I thought with these, I like these colors, and it's kind of like a patchwork design. And, oh, here's a kind of overall picture of it. I kind of think I'm going to keep it like this for a bit and keep it, keep it contained. It's on a little cardboard spool here, which is nice, but creative, what does it say? Creative something. Creative cuts, it says right there. Okay, creative cuts. Yeah, so I thought some bright, pretty, colorful fabric. There's little snails on here, and are those snails or turtles? No, they're not turtles. Turtles don't have antennae. Anyway, little bugs, butterflies and things. So cute little fabric. And then this one too, also very pretty and colorful. This was only 1 yard for $1.99, but still, I thought it was pretty. And again, like if you say, if it is 2 fat quarters, that would be $2.50, right? $2.50 at Dollar Tree, and I got this for $1.99. So actually, this one should have been cheaper, considering that was $1.99 and that was, but maybe somebody priced it that doesn't know anything about fabric, or they didn't look at how much it was. I don't know how many yards, But anyway, another pretty colorful fabric there. And so, and that was different from anything I have. So I thought, this could be good for a lot of things, including a journal cover, both of these, or a spine. So I can really see these on the spine. Of course, it would go a long way, being that it's 1 yard and 2 yards if I just use them on spines. But anyway, even if I did, they would make a pretty spine. So, and the last thing I got was these books right here. And these are all Disney books. And I saw them like the week before. Like I got them I got them this week. Say I got them on this day I went. The week before, I go on a Saturday, like I said, so I got them on this Saturday, and the Saturday before I saw them too, but I didn't get them. I told myself no, but I really liked them, and then when I went again, I decided I really love them, so they were all together except for one was separated, and I had seen it as I was looking at the books, and so I went back and found the one that was separated, and I got all of them. So let me show you what they are. They're, now I have a lot of Disney books from when my kids were little, and they're a little bit, and I've made some journals out of them. They're a little bit smaller than this. This is 7 1/4 inches wide and quite tall. Let's see, 10 1/4 inches, and the ones like my kids had were, I'm going to say 8 between, I don't know if they were 9 inches. I'm going to say they're probably like 8 inches, so quite a bit smaller than this. But anyway, these are just so cute, and I have never seen this exact Disney book before, but these are all Minnie and Me. Maybe you've seen them. Minnie and Me Best Friends Collection. It says right up here. And you can see look at the cute little bows here, and they look vintage, and they are vintage. But they're early, I think they're all early 90s. Beautiful inside cover here. Nicely written name. This book belongs to this little heart with a Mickey Mouse. It's so cute. I don't think I would cover that up. Somebody, like when I'm going to make these into journals, and then somebody that got this could put a new label right there, or I could if I have one, and then write whatever they want there. But see, these are in very good condition. We're going to look at the copyright in a second, but very pretty, bright, colorful pages. And the year on this one is 1991. So I think they're all around that time. We'll check as we go through them and see if they're all 1991. Yeah. Okay. So really cute. I haven't, looks like I can clean this one up a little bit. I haven't wiped them down yet or anything. And so that one was called The Rainy Day Picnic. The Rainy Day Picnic. It's raining. Minnie's getting rained on there, and Daisy. All the girls are together. The girl on the cow, the Daisy, and whoever this little girl is here. Okay, and then Forgive Me, Minnie. Got Daisy and the cow again. That little girl, I don't know who that is, and I don't know who that is. Oh, that's a lamb. Is it a dog? I'm not sure. This one has polka dots. See, the last one had bows on the inside, bows on the outside. It says polka dots on the outside and polka dots on the inside. So that's an indicator of what you're going to see. And the copyright on this one is 1991 again. Very big, beautiful pages. I just thought these were so cute that I decided that I actually really love them. Like, I love them, so I just had to get them this time. Since they were still there, I think that was meant that they were for me, right? This one has little bows on the outside, and it's Minnie Sleepover. There's a little tent here. She's got her teddy bear. I guess they all look like that on the back. Yeah, they're all the same on the back. Kind of a plain back, but I think I would leave the original book, you know. Oh, these were all Megan's. Oh, she didn't write her name in this one, on the front anyway. So no name written in that one, but this one she's got her name written here and there. Megan. I would still leave it though, because I would still use this too, because it's so pretty. This one's 1991 also. And same type of pages. I like the big, beautiful, colorful pages. So cute. Okay, that's that one. Minnie's new bike. That's cute. This one's got flowers. Really cute. I didn't look at all the copyrights yet. No name written on this one. Yay. Megan didn't write in this one. This one's also 1991. Yeah, this is after my oldest son was born and before my youngest son was born, so. But this looks like this is a girls collection. This is for girls, so I wouldn't have bought, even if I ever did see these, I wouldn't have bought them because they're girl books. At least I think they are. Cute. So I bought all the Disney books, the smaller ones. There were, like, and I bought, like, you know, Donald Duck and the DuckTales. They love DuckTales, my boys, so we had all the DuckTales videos and books and all that kind of stuff. But this one doesn't have a name. Yay. Written in anywhere, and it was 1991 also, too, right? We already looked at that. Yep, 1991. Here we've got green with orange polka dots. No rumors allowed. There's all the friends eating ice cream with a little puppy. Cute. I definitely will wipe them down, see if I can get them any cleaner. No name, yay. Oh, look at those polka dots. That reminds me of Put Me in the Zoo. Put Me in the Zoo. You know that one with all the polka dots, that Dr. Seuss book? Put Me in the Zoo. And all the pages are in excellent condition. Megan did not write in her books except for her name and a couple of them. This one's 1991. And we got two more. This one has little flowers. There's a little bit of a something there, but I mean, I'm going to have to make a new spine on these, so this will get cut off. I did see someone once, maybe these look like they might be about a 1-inch spine. You can, if you take the paper out, just like with the little golden books where you turn the spine inward. I've only seen one person do it with a book like this, but it was really cool. And you just take the pages out, and these could look like they can be pretty easily cut out. So you take the pages out, and then you open it up and make this whole spine, and push it in flat and turn it on its side, so this makes the new spine. And then of course you reinforce it and everything on the inside. But yeah, I might try that and see if because this is just so cute. And then if you reinforce it on the inside, I mean, it's not terribly thin to begin with. It's a nice, sturdy feeling whatever's in here. There's cardboard down here, I guess. Thick cardboard, and then whatever's here. But I would be reinforcing it. So if I could use it, it would be cool, right? And this has got the flowers, no writing of names here. And it's a 1991, of course. I guess they all came out in 1991. Maybe they came together, in one set. I don't know. They weren't individual books. Let's see, do they have... They don't have no, they don't have a... Maybe they were all together. Because they don't have... In 1991, if they were sold separately, they probably would have a barcode, and these do not have a barcode. So last one, Showtime for Clarabelle. Okay, so that's the cowgirl. The cow that is a girl is Clarabelle. I remember hearing her name before, but she's not, as well known as Minnie and Daisy, of course. I think my granddaughter loves Daisy. They went to Disney World, and I think she saw, the characters that walk around at Disney World. She saw Donald Duck, and she said, "Where's Daisy?" Poor Donald. He's probably like, "Daisy's not here, I am." I can only imagine. But he probably gets that a lot. The little girls want Daisy, you know what I mean? He's probably used to it. Where's Daisy? I didn't want the boy duck. I want the girl duck. So funny. This one's in good shape. I wish I could have been there to see his reaction. Where's Daisy? Yeah, I'm sure he was nice. Like, "Oh, she's not here right now. She'll be here later or something. Or she's over and wherever." He probably didn't know where she was. But anyway, these are all so cute. I just couldn't resist another week. I resisted 1 week. And then the next, if I find any more, I will get them too. I didn't see any more, but they have, right now, they are overloaded with books, and they have them stacked on the bookshelf, for one thing. There's a shelf, and it's tiered. So the big one, the top one is, you can only fit one layer, but the next one is wider, and the next one is the same width. So they have them like a row of books back here, and a row of books in front of them. So there is a chance I could find more. I kind of doubt it. I looked through pretty good. I mean, I looked on the back and front row as best as I could, moved books around. I was there for a good while, searching through, see what they had today, or the day I went on this day, and didn't find any more. But I hope you enjoyed those. Maybe you can let me know if you've seen these particular Minnie and Me, the Best Friends collection before, because I have not. And if you had them for your kids or your girls, your daughter, granddaughter, whatever, and or yourself, and yeah, that would be interesting. Let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.